Hello, my name is Katie and welcome to my channel. This video is perfect for you if you're brand new to my channel. This will tell you what I'm about, what this channel is about, and everything you need to know. So first off, who am I? My name is Katie, hello, and I am a personal trainer, hybrid coach, hybrid athlete, as well as group exercise instructor. I wear a lot of different hats. And anyway, my background is in figure skating. I grew up as a figure skater and did that for about 12 years growing up, became a coach a little bit after that, and then in college I started shifting away from figure skating, moving into the lifting sphere. So then I was a lifter for a long time and slowly came into running. My husband is a runner and he loves that stuff. I did not take to running naturally, but I like it now. And some highlights of my story are back in 2022, I had a full left ACL reconstruction and meniscus repair. So that was a big deal to start recovering from. And then that following year, 2023, was my very first DECA World Championships that I actually attended. I did qualify 22, but couldn't attend because of the ACL. And come 2024, we found out we were pregnant. So I raced all my races that year pregnant and did qualify for Worlds, but couldn't go because of postpartum. And my son, we don't share his name or his pictures on my social media, so his name is Baby G to you guys, or the Gremlin. So if you hear me reference the Gremlin, that's who. So that's a bit about me. I absolutely adore the hybrid fitness space and hybrid fitness racing, so that's what a lot of my content is geared towards. My channel has gone through a little bit of a change. When I first started, it was just this generic, sterile fitness advice that sounded very textbook. But over the years, I've kind of shifted into that hybrid fitness space because that's really where my passion lies. So that's really what I wanted my channel to be about. So if you're into races like DECA or Hyrox, anything along those lines, this channel is going to be great for you. So now that you've heard about me and my channel, there's a couple ways you can connect with me on social media. First off, it's to like and subscribe down below to my YouTube channel. I also have an Instagram at Katie Garrison Fitness as well, so check that out and subscribe there. Follow, whatever, you know. And I also have my signature hybrid strength program that gives you all the strength, the endurance, the power, the stamina, and the skill-based movements that you will need to help crush your fitness races. And all of life's fun adventures too, because life is so much easier when you've been training. So you can check out hybrid strength down below as well, or if you're not ready to jump into a program yet, I have several fun freebies and an ebook that you can check out down there too. So there is everything you need to know about my channel in a nutshell. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!